Hi, my name's Maz and I'm Design Director at Boden.
Hi, I'm Sarah, the in-house stylist.
Welcome to Sips and Tips, our new series giving you style advice in the time it takes to make a cup of tea.
And this is Danielle, our gorgeous model, who's going to show us how it's done.
Everyone has different packing personalities. Sarah, tell us a bit about yours.
Okay, so I have to admit that I'm incredibly organised. For example, if I'm going away for a week, I will plan 7 breakfast outfits, 7 lunchtime outfits, 7 dinner outfits. What about you? How do you do it?
Well, I'm quite the opposite actually. I will hoard a load of stuff into my suitcase, and then when I get to the other end, of course, I don't use half of it. I end up wearing probably the same thing every day. So speaking of that one thing you're going to be taking on holiday this summer, this effortlessly chic green jersey dress is perfect over a swimsuit during the day, and then in the evening you can really glam it up with a pair of jeweled sandals.
I know I said that I never wear the same thing twice on holiday, but this outfit is the exception. So this is great barefoot on the beach, great with a sandal in the day, or even better with a wedge in the evening.
This is the perfect holiday piece. It looks amazing worn as a caftan and also worn as a dress. It has the most beautiful, unique embroidery, all designed in-house by our design team. It's in an amazing, breathable, slub cotton fabric, so when you pack it and it comes out the other side, it still looks really crisp.
We hope that's helped you get your suitcase sorted.
Happy packing!